Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn the use of for of loop in ES6 version of JavaScript. In the previous JavaScript we have a for loop, we have a for in loop, and here we are going to use the for of loop. So see the example, we have a suppose array like this, and here I have the value in array like this, and I want to use the for in loop. For example, the previous loop, I say here v in values like this, and then I say console.log, and here I display the value of v and I run it. You will see that only index will print 0 1 2 3, but the value of these array is not displaying by using the in. But the same for loop, if I use, but in place of in I use the of, that is the part of new ES6 version of JavaScript, you will see that the value will be print here. That is the difference. But if here I want to display value also, then I have to use like a array declaration, and I have to pass the index in array, then I can use. This one is the same. So this is that one, and this is this. Okay, now what we can use, if we have the object, for example I say obj value, and here I have a object, for example num1 like this, num2 like this, num3 like this. If I have an object, and then I want to use this in loop on object, you will see that we say ov in obj values like this, and I display the value like this, console, and I say ov, and I run it again, and you see the num1 num2 num3, the value that is key. I just comment this one because I want to display the result also. So if I run this, num1 num2 num3 is displaying here, but in place of in, if I use the of like this and I save it, it will generate some error like this. I can do modifications like I say object dot values here in object like this, and I save it now. So I can display the value like this, 12 34 56. So here I have to pass object dot values, and if I want to display the key, so then just copy and I paste it, and here in place of values I can say keys like this, and I save it. So the key will display num1 num2 num3, and if I want all, then I say entries, and here I have to use the key and value array like this. I have to use this one like this, save it, and I run it, and you will see that the value will display. If I say here key and I save it and I run it, then key will display. So with the help of we can display the value of object also, the value of array also, and directly we can access the values inside an array. So this is the modification between for of and for in loop. So for of is a part of ES6 version of JavaScript. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.